Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about list and tuples. I am going to use Google Colab for executing the Python code. Google Colab is a cloud platform provided by Google to execute the Python code without any local setup. So let's start with list. List is denoted by square bracket. So list is a collection of objects which can be of the different data types. So now I am going to execute list with the same data types. Let's try with different data type. Let's add some string and floating value. Yeah, so this can store the different data types. So also list supports multiple operations. First, it supports indexing. If I want to fetch a particular element, I can give b of 0. Indexing always starts from 0. Here 0 denotes the first element. Okay, next it supports slicing. Slicing is something if you want to fetch a range of elements. If I am going to give starting from 1 to 2. Let's see what it is executing. You might be thinking it will be giving the first and second element. Note that the end range is not included. It's always excluded. So this is slicing. Let's try the next operation, concatenation. I want to concatenate two lists into the same list. Let's try that. Yeah, it has been concatenated. The next operation is I want to add an element in an empty list. Let's create an empty list and I am using a command called the function append of 2. Let's try printing A now. The 2 has been appended. If you want to append more element, you keep on doing that. What if you want to add a list into a list? Let's try that. We have the list 1, 2, 3. Now a.extend. Extend is the function to add a list into the existing list. 5. So let it be 6, 7, 8. Now give A. We can see that whatever the list elements has been extended to the existing list. So this is list. Now comes the tuples. So in Google Colab, you can also add a text. Tuples. So tuples is also a collection of items of the different data types. So let's try that. My tuple is equal to, tuple is denoted with parenthesis. Let's try my tuple to print. Similarly, let's try with different data type also. One string value and float value. Let's give one integer also. My tuple. Yeah, this is tuple. So here tuple also supports indexing. My tuple of 0. It also supports slicing as well. Now it should print the first element. And then it also supports the concatenation. Let's try tuple2 is equal to my tuple plus tuple2. It has been concatenated. But tuple doesn't support the insertion and removal of the elements. This is because tuple is immutable in nature. What is mutability? Let's see that. Mutability. So mutability is something where you can modify the existing data structure. Let's say we have the list 1, 2, 3 and I want to modify list of 1, that is second element, to 5. Let's try printing. It has been modified. Similarly, let's try with tuple. we have to denote with parenthesis. Tuple 1 is equal to 2. Let it be 7. Tuple 1. You can see the error, right? It doesn't support the item assignment because tuple is immutable in nature. This is the first difference. One more difference is list consume more memory comparing to tuples. Let's see that. How to check the memory? We have to use the sys module. As already told, sys module is something which will have a classes and function for certain functionality. All system related functions will be in sys. So we have imported the sys module. Now let's try sys dot get size of. So it's a generating automatically. So let's give tab. Yeah. If you see, it's 88. Similarly, let's try with one tuple. You can see that tuple memory is less comparing to list. This is because tuple will take only a single block of memory, whereas list will take 2 blocks of memory. So these are the differences between list and tuples. Tuples is more memory efficient and you can use it only if you want to access something. And if you want more operations like insertion and removal, you can go for the list. So this is about list and tuples. Hope you had a good learning in this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.